Sawadika, hi everyone. Today let's make Gai Pad Prik, which is stir-fried chicken with baked chilies. This dish is very common to find in Thailand and it's delicious and simple to make. Like all of my recipe videos, full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Let's take a look at the ingredients. I have my chicken, big chili, bell pepper, spring onion, white onion, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, chicken stock powder, garlic, and cooking oil. We're going to start by sautéing the garlic on medium heat until they turn fragrant. Then you can add in the chicken. You can use any part of the chicken that you would like, but just make sure it's not too lean. Something like chicken thigh is recommended. When our chicken is fully cooked, you can lower down the heat to about low because now we're going to add in all of the seasoning ingredients. You can then turn up the heat and combine this really well. When this is all well combined and the chicken has absorbed some of the sauce, you can add in the rest of the ingredients, which are onion, bell pepper, spring onion, and big chilies. Some people like their stir-fry dishes to be on the watery side, so you've got the sauce that you can drench all over your rice. We're now going to add some plain water to this. You can add more or add less depending on your preference. When the white onion is done, you can then give this a taste test, adjust accordingly to your own liking, and you're done. And it's ready to be served. This is one of those simple Thai stir-fries that you should not miss out. Gai Pad Prik directly translates to chicken stir-fry chili. But despite that, this dish is not spicy. It's slightly sweet from the bell pepper and the white onion. It's really warming, really delicious, and again, simple to make. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye!